How you doing? It's so nice to see you. I'm so glad you could join me today on YouTube. My name is Deshawn and you're watching Distinctively Deshawn. Today is a DIY project and I invite you to come along. So welcome to my home. Hello good people, in today's video I am creating a decorative vase. Yes ma'am, yes sir, I will be taking this clear vase and making it something beautiful. You want to first start off by making sure your glass is clean. Who really wants to decorate a dirty vase, okay? So make sure you clean it thoroughly, make sure you dry it off, make sure you have all of the resources that you're going to be using to start your project. I will be completing this project with hot glue sticks as well as my hot glue gun, some glitter, some spray paint. Nothing major, just a few items. This is actually the vase that I purchased for $10 at Target. I'm still super excited about that. I'm excited to see what I come up with. This is a very easy project to do. The glue dries fairly quickly. Just make sure you do your due diligence in pulling off those little stringies that come out while you're using a hot glue gun, and make sure you have plenty of glue sticks because you are going to need them depending on whether or not you cover the full vase, or like I'm doing in this, or if you decide you want to use a half a vase of coverage, you're still going to need plenty of glue sticks. If you're new here, thanks again for joining me today. My name is Deshawn and I do videos on decoration, inspiration, as well as motivation. If you're enjoying this video and that sounds like something that interests you, please do become a part of our distinctive family. Subscribe to the channel. Make sure you click that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. To my new subbies, welcome to the family. I said welcome to the family. Thank you so much for subscribing. I love y'all. I do. And to my old faithfuls, my day ones, my distinctive ones, y'all know who y'all are. All I can say is, in the words of Big Frida, you already know. I love y'all forever and a whole lot. It's starting to take shape, y'all. It's looking beautiful already. This is one of those projects that you can't really mess up because it's basically whatever you want to do. And we're about done with the glue part, which didn't take too long. Thank God. I am happy with the current result so far. Okay guys, now that the glue is dry, let me let you see up close what I have done here. some texture. Now, what you want to do, let me let y'all really get in there and see. I have this on a brown paper bag. But what you want to do is, you see those little stringy things in there? I'm trying to get it close enough. From the glue, if that's not your preference, you can pull those off. Because I did pull majority of them off, but I want to leave some of them on there. I don't need perfection, if that makes sense. So I want to see how it turns out leaving some of them on there. After your glue dries, you can move on to the next step, which is spray painting your project. Now, I chose the aluminum color. I was torn between the gold and the silver. Do not do this in the house, okay? I'm only doing it in the house because I have proper ventilation. My windows are open. The sliding glass door behind me is open. I just have the curtains closed because of the lighting. The sun is extremely bright, but please go outside, or in a garage, open garage with the door open, just to make sure that you are protecting yourself. Also protect your surface that you're using, and make sure it's not like windy or anything like that, because you'll have paint everywhere. Okay guys, so this is stage 2 of my design. This is after it has dried from the spray paint. You can see the little glue strings that I left in there on some parts. Now that the paint is dry, I am going to be using this aerosol spray can of glitter that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. You want to make sure you shake the can well so that you can have an even distribution of the glue. This is fine glitter. It is, I believe, silver and white, like a mixture, more silver than white actually. I have achieved the level of texture that I want with this vase, and now I'm using the glitter just to soften it up some. You can apply as little or as much as you like, or don't put any glitter on it at all if you don't want to. I'm a glitter girl though, at least for this piece anyway, but I am going to generously apply this. Be sure to spray your glue and sprinkle your glitter in sections so that you get a consistent amount of coverage, and it's not like blotchy or patchy, or you don't miss spots that you will otherwise want to cover. All right now guys, so this is after I had applied some glitter. It softens it up some, because you know that aluminum metallic spray paint can be kind of harsh, but this breaks it up some. I'm gonna probably add a little bit more glitter in some other areas. Forgive me because I'm terrible with this camera, but hopefully y'all get the drift. this is how she looks with the additional glitter that I have added to the piece. I did go back in and remove some more of the blue strings that were on there. I don't know, I didn't like how it looked in some of the places on there, but there are still several pieces on it, as you can see. I'm trying to get up kind of close so you can see better. The way the piece looks in person doesn't really translate the same way on camera to me, so I apologize for that. But trust me and believe me when I tell you, this piece is gorgeous, and I am really, really proud of this project. I know you don't have the best view of her, but she is still drying. I am finished with this project, and let me tell y'all something. This right here looks like an expensive piece, okay? I know that you can't see what I'm seeing right now in the flesh, you know, up close and personal, but if I would have went to the store and bought this, I would have had to pay a pretty penny unless it was on sale. This is motivation for me to make more of my own vases. Again, I did not spend a lot for this. I encourage y'all, if you haven't already done something like this, to try your own project and do your own vases and save your money, because this looks more expensive than some of the ones I went to the store and actually paid for. Like, isn't she lovely? Listen, make me want to sing. She's so nice. What Stevie say? Isn't she wonderful? Y'all know I couldn't let a whole video go by. Like, I don't know. Pray for me. But I love it. If y'all decide to do it, show me what y'all got. I completed this vase with the glitter glue that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, guys, that I showed in my haul video. Well, guys, we've come to the conclusion of this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed hanging out with me just as much as I have enjoyed hanging out with you. This was absolutely a fun project to do. I hope you all are inspired to try it. As always, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so. Until next time, ciao.